Hey everybody, StogieFarts here. So in the never-ending saga of my idiot neighbors, we just pulled up in the front of our driveway and they have like 8 or 9 refrigerators that they're unloading off of their trucks. I'm going to show you really quick. I'm going to try and zoom up. My camera's not that good. Here we go. So you can see right there in the driveway there's 1, 2, 3, there's at least 4 refrigerators right there. And then look at this car that's pulling out. Oh my God, there's another like 6 in there. What do you guys think? What in the hell are these guys doing? I don't know, your guess is as good as mine. Let me know your thoughts. What on earth could they be using these for? So here I am outside, breaking in my Jake Hackert. First smoke. Inside I put in some Boswell's Northwoods. Anyway, I was going to give you more of maybe a sneak peek close-up look of this stuff that's going on at my neighbor's house with the refrigerators. See if I can do this without getting caught. That's more of a close-up. They're unloading right now. I have no idea what they're doing. Hey, what are you doing over there? Bentley! Stop it! Anyway, hope you guys are all having a great weekend. Next week I have at least 2 different box openings I'm going to have of some tobacco pipe purchases. And I hope to also get another film or another video of me and Sarge. Sarge got a couple new pipes, so I know he wants to show those off to you guys. And he's busy making his custom pipe tampers with the ammunition, the 308 bullet. So he's going to show off what he's got done so far. I think he's got like 16 of them done. A lot of you guys expressed an interest in wanting to get one of those. So that's it. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.